Congratulations on purchasing your new grill, and welcome to the Nexgrill family. Before we begin assembling your Nexgrill 5-burner gas grill with side burner, reference your owner's manual to make sure all of your grill's parts are accounted for. Note that you'll also need a Phillips head screwdriver and an adjustable wrench to complete the assembly. If you have any questions or concerns during the assembly process, please call the customer service line on your screen. Let's do this. We'll start by connecting the left side cart legs to the cart caster inserts. Connect them by firmly pressing the legs down into each caster insert. Connect them by firmly pressing the legs down into the caster inserts. Then disassemble the tank bolt by removing the pre-assembled screw, washer, and tank bolt bracket. Next, turn the bottom panel upside down and attach the tank bolt bracket to the bottom panel using 2 A-screws. Now thread the tank bolt through the hole on the bottom cart and attach to the bolt bracket using its original screw and washer. Next, we'll attach the cart legs to the bottom panel using 8 A-screws. Notice how each cart leg has a sticker. This tells where each cart leg belongs. Sticker 2 is the front left leg, Sticker 3 the back left leg, Sticker 6 is the front right leg, and Sticker 7 is the back right leg. Next, we'll use the 2 cart frame assemblies to connect the front and back cart legs. Start by loosening the pre-assembled screws at the top of each cart leg. Slide the cart frame assemblies into place like so, retighten the pre-assembled screws, and secure them using 8 A-screws. Next, we'll attach the 2 front panels between the front cart legs. Start by loosening the 8 pre-assembled screws. Then, we'll slide each front panel into place. The top front panel has 2 little holes on each side, while the bottom front panel has no holes. Once in place, tighten the 8 pre-assembled screws to secure both panels. Next, we'll attach the wheels to the bottom of the left side cart legs using a wrench, 2 G-nuts, and 2 H-washers. Next come the left and right triangle brackets. Loosen the 2 pre-assembled screws on the bottom of each back cart leg. Slide the triangle brackets into place and retighten the pre-assembled screws. Then secure each triangle bracket using 2 B-screws. Next, we'll secure the main firebox. Grab a buddy and lower the firebox onto the frame, ensuring the regulator hose hangs to the side of the cart frame. Remember that the 2 panels on the cart frame should be facing the front. Then secure the firebox to the cart frame using 4 A-screws, 2 on each side of the firebox. Next, look beneath the firebox and use 2 A-screws to secure the left side of the firebox to the cart frame. Then do the same on the left side with 2 more A-screws. Next, look to the left side of the main firebox. Loosen the pre-assembled screw toward the rear and remove the pre-assembled screw at the bottom right toward the front of the control panel. For a moment, set that screw aside. Now grab the left side shelf, slide it into place over the loosened screw, retighten, and reinstall the screw you removed just a moment ago. You also need to attach 1 C-screw in the top right corner beneath the shelf. Now open the main lid and use 3 A-screws and 3 E-washers to secure the left side shelf into place. Next comes the right side shelf with side burner. Loosen the pre-assembled screw towards the rear and remove the pre-assembled screw at the bottom left toward the front of the control panel. Once again, set that screw aside for the moment. Now grab the right side shelf with side burner, slide it into place over the loosened screw, retighten, and reinstall the screw you removed just a moment ago. You also need to attach 1 C-screw in the top left corner beneath the shelf. Now open the main lid and use 3 A-screws and 3 E-washers to secure the right side shelf into place. With the right side shelf in place, find the side burner gas valve and loosen the 2 pre-assembled screws. Position the gas valve in the side shelf and retighten the screws. Then push the side burner knob into place over the gas valve. Next, find the side burner and remove the 2 pre-assembled screws. After that, slide the side burner down into its assembly. Make sure the long end is positioned over the tip of the main gas valve. Next, from beneath the shelf, reinstall the 2 screws you removed to fasten the side burner. Then connect the igniter wire to the side burner valve. Now we're going to assemble the grease tray. Turn the tray over and attach the grease cup bracket using 2 C-screws and 2 F washers. Be sure the bracket is extending toward the back of the grill. Then simply slide in the grease tray assembly from the rear of the grill, and rest the grease cup within the grease cup bracket. Next, open the main lid and place the 5 flame tamers in toward the bottom of the firebox. No screws are necessary to secure the flame tamers. Next are the cooking grids. Lower the grids in over the flame tamers, making sure the holes in each grid are facing the front of the grill. Then set the warming rack into place like so. Next, set the side burner cooking grid into place. After that, unscrew the pulse igniter cap on the front panel of the side shelf and insert one included AA battery, positive side facing out, into the slot. Then reinstall the cap. Next, find the condiment box with the Nexgrill logo and loosen the pre-assembled screws on each end. With the screws loosened, slide the condiment box into place on the top front panel of the grill cart, then retighten. Next, attach the tank wire to the left side cart legs. Using the hooked end of the wire, slide it into the front left cart leg and give it a quarter twist to secure. Then use a D-screw to attach the other end of the tank wire to the back left cart leg. Next, place your liquid propane tank into the hole and tighten the tank bolt to secure it in place. And finally, carefully connect the gas line to your tank. Your Nexgrill 5-burner gas grill with side burner is now assembled and ready to go. Now get out there and grill something different.